First, let's look at mathematical operations. A mathematical operator is an action which take input values to an output value. Now let's look at addition with integers. Here is a worked example, and the steps down the side, here. The calculation comes out to 4,517. Now, try these practice questions. 12,127 plus 9,787 and 25,918 plus 70,099. Here are the answers to the questions. Question 1, 21,914. Question 2, 96,017. Now let's look at addition with decimals. Here is another worked example, with decimals, 2.0205 plus 10.7. Remember that you have to align the decimal places correctly to avoid any errors. Now try these practice questions. Question 1, 2.0249 plus 24.97420. Question 2, 63.24 plus 9.1. Question 3, 3.145 plus 3.89. Question 4, 0.0027 plus 9.087. Here are the answers. Question 1, 26.9991. Question 2, 72.34. Question 3, 7.035. Question 4, 9.0897. Now let's look at subtraction with integers. Here is another worked example again. Now, if you can't perform a step as a number is too large, like 3 minus 8, then you must borrow 1 from the next left column, and add 10 to the original digit. Now try these questions. Question 1, 10,057 minus 8,259. Question 2, 11,013 minus 2,207. Question 3, 3,600 minus 1,954. Question 4, 45,810 minus 16,541. Question 5, 11,020 minus 3,197. Here are the answers. Question 1, 1,978. Question 2, 8,806. Question 3, 1,646. Question 4, 29,269. Question 5, 7,823. Let's move on to subtraction with decimals. Here is another worked example again. Remember when and how to borrow from another column. The calculation is 34.0125 minus 2.62. Now try these questions. Question 1, 5 minus 2.567. Question 2, 10.034 minus 9.65. Question 3, 3.7 minus 2.597. Question 4, 6.534 minus 5.79. Question 5, 1 minus 0.498. Here are the answers. Question 1, 2.433. Question 2, 0.384. Question 3, 1.103. Question 4, 0.744. Question 5, 0.502. Now let's move on to multiplication with integers. Here is an example for long multiplication, here. Now try these questions. Question 1, 565 times 68. Question 2, 237 times 47. Question 3, 314 times 97. Question 4, 212 times 31. Question 5, 664 times 63. Here are the answers. Question 1, 38,420. Question 2, 11,139. Question 3, 30,458. Question 4, 6,572. Question 5, 41,832. Multiplying decimals is a bit different. To make it easier, you can multiply the numbers by a power of 10 to make them whole numbers. You do not need to multiply each number by the same power of 10. However, you need to divide the product by the same power of 10. Here is what is meant. Now try these questions. Question 1, 2.3 times 32.8. Question 2, 3.64 times 0.22. Question 3, 0.718 times 2.5. Question 4, 5.24 times 4.4. Question 5, 0.257 times 3.1. Here are the answers. Question 1, 75.44. Question 2, 0.8008. Question 3, 1.795. Question 4, 23.056. Question 5, 0.7967. Now let's move on to division with integers. Here is an example for long division, dividing by two-digit numbers. Now try these questions. Question 1. 46,079 divided by 59. Question 2. 28,208 divided by 43. Question 3. 13,311 divided by 51. Question 4. 22,494 divided by 69. Here are the answers. Question 1. 781. Question 2. 656. Question 3. 261. Question 4. 326. Similar to multiplication with decimals, both numbers need to be integers. However, each number must be multiplied by the same power of 10. This is because division with decimal numbers is similarly treated like fractions, like this. Now try these questions. Question 1. 21 divided by 0.03. Question 2. 3.6 divided by 1.5. Question 3. 2.45 divided by 0.02. Question 4. 13.3 divided by 0.019. Here are the answers. Question 1. 700. Question 2. 2.4. Question 3. 122.5. Question 4. 700. Now, you should be able to define a mathematical operation, and do the 4 basic operations.